Hello, moneymakers! Before I explain anything, take a look at this video.
When a child takes a bite of instant noodles, digestion begins immediately. Soft noodles enter the mouth and are quickly broken down by the teeth, while saliva enzymes mix with the warm, oily strands. The noodles slide smoothly down the esophagus, pushed by rhythmic waves of muscle contractions. As the noodles enter the stomach, a fast reaction occurs. Stomach acid and enzymes start dissolving the noodles into a thick yellow paste. Because noodles are high in salt and oil, they float on top of the stomach's acid layer.
Now, you have probably seen this type of video all over your feed. Someone takes a bite of food or drinks something simple like water, milk, Coke, or juice, and suddenly the camera zooms straight inside the human body. You start seeing the stomach react, organs moving, nutrients flowing through the bloodstream, and cells lighting up one by one. Music. These videos are extremely satisfying to watch. They are clean, visual, fast-paced, and very easy to understand. That is exactly why people end up watching them till the end. And this trend is not limited to just music one platform. On TikTok, multiple channels in this niche are exploding right now. Music. Some of them are sitting close to 1 million followers with millions of likes. Music posting only these body inside food videos. Individual videos are crossing millions music and even tens of millions of views. But it does not stop there. On YouTube Shorts, channels like Body Logic 3D and Body 3D Art Animation are pulling insane numbers as well. Hundreds of thousands of subscribers, millions of views, and all of it coming from short-form content. Music. No long videos, no face on camera, no personal brand. And here is the most shocking part. Most people watching these videos believe they are made by professional animators or medical studios. They think there is a big team behind the scenes, expensive software, and years of experience involved. But the truth is very different. The creators behind these videos are not animators. They are not doctors. They are not even recording their own voice. Everything you see in these videos is created using AI. The script is generated with AI. The images are generated with AI. The animations are done with AI. The voiceover is AI. And even the editing workflow is simplified using AI-friendly tools. That is why creators are able to scale so fast in this niche. Music. Some channels are going from 0 followers to hundreds of thousands in just a few music weeks simply by following the same repeatable formula again and again. So in today's video, I am going to break down the entire process for you in full music detail. I will show you how to create the script, how to generate high-quality 3D, music visuals, how to animate each scene, how to add realistic voiceovers, how to edit everything for maximum music retention, and how to export your videos correctly for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. No camera required, no animation skills needed, no medical knowledge required, no expensive software, just a simple step-by-step system that you can start using today. So grab a glass of lemon water, sit back, and let's music get started. First of all, you need to open my Google Doc, which you can access by joining my free school music community and my WhatsApp and Telegram groups. Inside that document, now ChatGPT will ask you which music food you want to create a video on. For example, chocolate, apple, Coke, or music, anything else. Basically, whatever food you want to create a video about. So here I will type pizza, and ChatGPT will instantly. Music provides you with a complete video kit automatically. It will give you multiple image prompts, animation prompts, scene-by-scene breakdowns, and background details. Music. Now, according to those scenes, you need to generate one line of narration for each music scene. Copy the script prompt and give it to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will generate narration for your shorts according to each scene. This narration will be a complete explanation of what that food actually does when it enters your body. Just like all the music viral channels are doing with very simple and easy narration, there will be one clear line for each scene so that music everything stays perfectly synced. Alright, once we get the prompts in the narration, let's move on to the next step. Our next step is to create 3D visuals for each of the scenes. For this, I will show you results from 3 music different tools. If you have the ChatGPT Pro version, you can generate these visuals directly inside ChatGPT as well. You just need to copy the first scene prompt and paste it into ChatGPT in a new chat. Do not mix everything in one chat. If you do that, Music will mess things up very badly. And here is the result. As you can see on my screen, it looks exactly how we want it to look. It is generated with a green background. We can easily remove the background and add any background we want. Now the second tool is Nano Banana, which is trending music right now. And among all three tools, I personally like the Nano Banana results the most for music every scene because it creates very accurate results according to the prompts. Now, if you want to go with a free tool, I recommend using Whisk AI. It is a very good tool to create images for this niche. Music. The results are amazing. As you can see on my screen, I have Nano Banana Pro, so I will generate the images using Gemini. Otherwise, you can use Google, a music whisk as well, if you want to start with a free tool. It also gives you very good results. Using this method, generate all the images with any one of these tools and download them. Take your time in this part because better images make better videos. So don't rush at all. Calmly generate the exact result you want for each music scene, exactly the way the scene should look. So, alright, once you have generated all the images, it's time to animate them to create music 3D videos. And for this, I tried many tools, both paid and free. But among all of them, I liked Grok AI the most. It not only gives the best results, but it is also music free to use. Open the Grok AI tool. Click on the Imagine tool from the Music left side tab. Then upload the first scene image and select the video option from here. Now Grok will start animating it automatically, but you have to paste your animation prompt music here, the one ChatGPT gave you. Then generate the video again to get the exact animation you want. And here is the result. You need to check both results. The one Grok generates automatically without any prompt and the one generated after you add your animation prompt. Whichever video looks better, you should download that one. Now let's upload the second image for the second music scene. As usual, Grok will start animating it without any prompt. And here is the result without the animation prompt. Now let's regenerate it using the animation prompt. This one is more accurate, so I will go with this version. So in this way, you need to generate videos, music one by one for each scene. Alright, once all the videos are ready, it's time to put everything music together. For this, you can choose any editing software of your choice. Before that, let's download a background from Canva. I will download a gradient background to use as the background for my video. Music. Oh, and we also forgot to generate the voiceover for the narration. So let's copy the narration script from ChatGPT and open 11 Labs. You can choose your voice and paste the script there and hit generate. I will go with the Atom voice because it works best for short viral style videos. Make sure to remove any unwanted spaces between the lines to avoid pauses in the voiceover. Hit generate. Listen to the voiceover carefully and then download it. That's it. Now let's merge everything. Music. For this, I will use CapCut. First import all the materials. Then drag the voice over onto the timeline. Remove any unwanted gaps in the voice over to improve retention. Now one by one, add all the videos according to the voiceover and in the correct sequence. Select the 9:6 ratio for YouTube Shorts. To make the video more engaging, you can also add sound effects. For example, drinking, music eating, or any sound related to your video. You will find many sound effects inside the CapCut audio library. Music. Choose from there and add them to the timeline. Listen to it, adjust the volume, and then move on to the next video. Music. Also, don't forget that the videos you generated using Grok AI will already have audio in them, so make music sure to mute that audio. You can also adjust the video speed from here to sync it properly with the voiceover. If you want to increase the length, music, you can slow down the speed. And if you want to reduce the length, you can increase the speed. Once all the videos are added, we now need to remove the green background and music add our own background. For that, click on the video and select Music Remove Background. Then choose Chroma Key. Select the color picker and click on the green color. As you can see, the green background will be removed. Some green edges might still be music visible. So to remove them, increase the cleanup edge and shadow settings, music from here. In the same way, remove the background from each and every video. Now take your background and bring it into the timeline, stretch it like this and place it in the middle layer, which means the layer below the video. Then add a nice background music as well to make the video more engaging and reduce its volume from here. After music generate auto subtitles from here. Then, from the templates, choose a good engaging subtitle animation. I will choose this music one. At the end, if you want, you can try different transitions and effects and add them to your video to make it look even cooler. Once you are done with everything, click on Export. Export the music video in 4K quality because YouTube loves high-quality videos. And that's it, music guys. Our full viral Body Food Explained 3D video is now ready. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it and share it with someone who music wants to create viral shorts like this. Subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials on faceless and AI-based content creation. Also, don't forget to join my free school community WhatsApp and Telegram groups, Music, where I share ready-to-use prompts, updates, and secret strategies for these viral niches. I'll see you in the next video. Now, let's check out the demo video we created.
When a child takes a bite of instant noodles, digestion begins immediately. Soft noodles enter the mouth and are quickly broken down by the teeth, while saliva enzymes mix with the warm, oily strands. The noodles slide smoothly down the esophagus, pushed by rhythmic waves of muscle contractions. As the noodles enter the stomach, a fast reaction occurs. Stomach acid and enzymes start dissolving the noodles into a thick yellow paste. Because noodles are high in salt and oil, they float on top of the stomach's acid layer,